Hello everyone, welcome back to CryptoTrain.io. We just got an alert on Doge, so I'm going to show you how to read it if you are in our Discord. And if you ain't in our Discord, join our Discord because this is how you're going to read it. Okay, first thing you should know is how to set up the divergence. You can see that the divergence is right here. This is where the bottom is, and it's actually right there. That's going to be your divergence. Anything underneath this blue line is going to come back to the blue line probably 8, 9 out of 10 times. So as long as your oscillators are pointing up, anything below here is going to come back down here. But we got a long notification right here. But we also have the EMAs pushing down right now. So that means that we're probably going to come back down here, test this blue line, maybe even go underneath it, and then come back up before we make a higher highs. But remember, you can use this oscillator like this also. You can draw this line right here, and if this breaks above it, that means that we're going to go long also. So right now, just wait for the good entries. You want to go long right now. If you are trying to go long, you want to wait till you get near that blue line or right at it, or if you want to stagger in, that's okay too. Once this oscillator breaks above this blue line, that is also a indication to go long. You can do the same thing going short also, but that's how you do it. Wait for the entry. If you did take a position right now and it shoots up, it most likely won't stay there because you need to have it organically grown. So here's again, to recap real quick, here is the divergence line. Anything below it will come back to it. We're underneath there, so it means we're going to push back down before we go back up. So anything close to this blue line would be your long position, and your target is going to be 0.2 to 0.5 when you're like 5xing or 10xing. If you'd like to join Discord, go ahead and join. The link's in the description box below, and start learning how to trade. And I'll see you on the next video.